Hey guys, this is Izzedine here from Raqmedia.com, and today I'll show you how to activate and use the best new features in Canva AI 2.0 step by step. Welcome back. Canva AI 2.0 introduces powerful AI tools that can help you create tech content, YouTube graphics, presentations, social media posts, and complete branding packages much faster. So let's get started. First, open Canva and go to the left sidebar. Click on Canva AI. You'll see a notification about Canva AI 2.0. To activate it, type Activate Superpowers and press Enter. Once activated, Canva gives you access to the new AI tools and a free trial period to test them. One of the first new features is called Memory. Click on Create About Me. Canva scans your previous projects and creates a profile based on your design style, colors, thumbnails, fonts, and branding preferences. From that point on, Canva AI generates content that matches your channel style automatically. Next is conversational design. Instead of building everything manually, you simply describe what you want. For example, I typed, create a futuristic YouTube thumbnail for a video about AI tools replacing programmers. Use neon colors and a cyberpunk style. Within seconds, Canva generated multiple complete thumbnail concepts with text, layouts, with lighting effects, and AI-themed visuals already included. Everything remains fully editable, so you can customize any part afterward. You can also generate multiple types of content at the same time. For example, I asked Canva to create a YouTube thumbnail, a Twitter post, and a Discord announcement for a new AI coding assistant launch. Canva automatically generated all the designs in matching styles. Now let's move to one of the biggest features in Canva AI 2.0 called Agentic Orchestration. This allows Canva to handle complete projects instead of single designs. For example, I typed, I'm launching a new tech YouTube channel about AI tools. Create a channel banner, YouTube thumbnail, podcast cover, and social media post. Canva automatically generated the entire branding package with matching colors, fonts, and layouts. Instead of creating each design manually, one prompt handles the full project. Another important feature is object-based intelligence. Normally, AI tools ruin the entire design when you ask for small edits, but Canva AI 2.0 edits only the specific element you select. For example, I changed the thumbnail title from Top AI Tools to AI Tools You Must Try in 2026 and replaced the robot background with a futuristic server room. Only those elements changed while the rest of the thumbnail stayed exactly the same. This makes editing faster and much more accurate. Canva AI 2.0 also includes workflow automation tools. The first one is connectors. You can connect Canva to apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. This allows Canva AI to pull information directly from those apps and use it inside your projects. The second feature is scheduling. You can automate tasks like generating daily tech, social media posts, or YouTube community posts automatically. The third feature is web research. For example, I typed research the latest AI hardware trends and create a modern infographic for YouTube. Canva searched the web, gathered information, and designed the infographic automatically. So to summarize, Canva AI 2.0 now includes personalized memory, AI-generated designs, automated branding packages, intelligent editing, workflow automation, and AI-powered research tools. These features can save a huge amount of time for YouTubers, tech creators, developers, marketers, and online businesses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Raqmedia for more AI tutorials, tech tools, and productivity hacks. This is your host, Izzedine, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.